Alright, so here's the deal. It's been a little while since I shot a video. Thought it was about time. I got a bunch of new gear, so I want to show you what just came in the mail today. This right here. A new cast net, and I'm going to do a little bit of a review. This is a cast net from Chubby's Cast Nets, and I'm going to put a link down below. I've heard lots of good things. This is kind of neat. Comes in a bag, so I guess that'd be good for storing it. So I'm going to pull it out for the first time. We're going to throw it once and see what happens. Here we go. Let's get her untied. What's happening? New cast net.
My first boat I had when I was 14.
Is it?
Finally got a new card for it and got it running. So, yeah, man.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right. So right out of the box, we're going to give this guy a try here. See what happens. All right, so this is the first throw with the Chubby cast net right out of the box. This is a 6-foot cast net, 1/4-inch mesh, and my dogs are going crazy. So let's give it a throw, see what happens. All right, so as you can tell from that first throw, that was a perfect taco. It took me a couple throws to get used to the net, but I do like it. It's built really, really well. I really do like the net. Chubby Nets are manufactured in Tampa, Florida. If you're interested, check them out. You can find them on Facebook. I will include a link. Also, be sure to check out Coffee with the Captain. I've got a lot of stuff to talk about. This whole virus thing has kind of messed things up for me, but I want to fill you in on that. I'll try to post a little bit of video from our fishing trip tomorrow, so be sure to check that out. Until next time, I've been Capt James, hoping you have a latte fun fishing. Peace.